Move these other guys back over.
Oh, look at that nice little ES long right off my level there. That was good. Missed it.
All right. Do we think short here?
Uh,
If it sits up for us?
yeah, I mean, ES is at that 89, so
Yeah. Oh, hold on a minute. I got
RTY also.
Oh yeah. Um, I think if it sets up, I look at it. Especially I like this RTY one. Keep missing these 6E ones. Well, I'm not saying missing. I got the one I wanted. Not a perfect setup. I'm at second. The next one. I gotta take care of something real quick. I'll be right back.
Yeah. There's your short on ES. Dang it, I missed it. I looked away for a second. Dang it. All right. Maybe I can catch it on the NQ. I was able to jump in on the NQ, but I missed that ES. That was a nice one on the ES. What did he say? Let's see, I'm reading this here. If you go into the server picture on the far left. Okay, I'll let Brian try that. All right, come on. Man, I wish I wanted that ES short. I did was able to jump in the NQ, but Let's see where I want my stop. Let's see, 129 and a quarter, I think. Oh, they've been short. I know it was quick, but what do you think? ES or NQ?
Man, I hope you told everybody to get in those shorts.
I did. I'm short the NQ. I didn't catch the ES. It was too
I was gonna
quick.
try to do all three of them.
I was too, but the ES happened like split second. I couldn't catch it, and I didn't want to chase it. I did catch the NQ. I did not catch the ES, and I didn't even look at the RTY. It's just too much. I can't do all three at once. I'm not that talented.
Can't keep up with me.
Can't.
Look at
Cannot
what I
do it.
had. How about these little meal prep containers? I meal prep
Yeah.
that dish. My timer went
Come
off. I
on,
have to go.
NQ. Break this low here and just dump. Break the pivot. Break. Oh no, the pivots. Yeah, the ES got to break the pivot.
What a bunch of malarkey.
Mm-hmm. That was a nice ES short.
That stupid timer started going off at the wrong time.
I mean, it happened quick. Like I said, I literally looked down to set my order on the NQ. When I looked back up, it was already gone.
What's what I was
I was
saying
like,
is I was like,
whoa.
do we look at this as a short? And then the timer started going off. And I was like, I gotta go out there and grab this stuff.
At least I got one of them on. I'll take that.
Well, man. Dang. Dang, dang, dang. Did somebody else get it other than just Paul?
No, they didn't answer me, so I'm assuming nobody took it. I asked if anybody got an ES or. Yeah, it was quick, Devin.
I
So
wanted the ES
wouldn't
one.
wouldn't fault anybody if they missed it.
Well, I was looking at it. I love that the RTY and ES came from the 89s. That was a level I had too on the ES or one I was looking at from yesterday. That was a good one. That was a good one. NQ just gave you the small tick chart set up perfectly at the same time the ES filled and the RTY. I mean, I would have still had my sell stop under that wick. I would have been fine with that, completely fine with that on RTY. So I'm not saying, and people hear me say stuff like this. They're like, "Well, you're Monday morning quarterbacking." No, those are trades I would actually take. Paul will tell you I would take those. People that know me know that I
Oh
would
yeah.
take those trades in a heartbeat. Just wasn't here for it. Oh well. Guess what you do if as a good trader, if you missed a trade you won't. You chase. You try to get in now. No, I just wait. I eat
That's
my lunch
exactly
and
what you
wait.
do. Always chase. Always chase.
I consider the counter long. No, that's a real thing, maybe. Heck, that might actually be a real thing. What time is it? 12, 12:30. We got an hour and a half. I you Mike could talk me into the long, and it's actually not a counter long because we are down. Momentum trend. My tick chart trend is down.
I'd like to see it come down here again to that 97 and then set up, go back up. That would be bigger double bottom. I like that. But I'm not opposed to a long here.
Let me look at the NQ as well. Now, this GC might actually set up for a decent. I need to set the top margin on this thing too, or turn off the stupid. Um, oh, why does it do that?
What are you turning off?
I'm trying to make it so it doesn't show the. I'm trying to look at this quickly so I can see the top of the chart without the words there. I was trying to kill the
Oh, the labels.
labels.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
can't stand that. That's
Oh man, this might. It might be going. This
going
might be a
south.
GC short I would look at. What'd you say?
I said, you think it's going to short here? Oof.
Take your Jersey Mike's, Dave. Dude, you wouldn't want Jersey Mike's if you ate my food, Dave. Paul can tell you he's eaten my food before.
Good stuff. I have got the different tick values than you do.
Really?
It's bizarre. I mean, they just the bars don't look anything the
Well, you had
same
like
as
a
your.
data feed issue earlier, right?
Yeah,
Maybe you need to reload your historical
I
data.
probably should reset the whole darn thing. I just don't feel like shutting it down, but I guess I should. Let me, yeah, let me do that. Whoa. You have 3 orders open, huh? What? Where?
You got a limit. You got a buy stop or something. Do we want to look at this
Where is
GC
it?
short?
PA 332.
RTY possible long RTY. This would seem like it would be just about kind of a triple bottom there too, or triple bottom. Ooh, that's a big time level on RTY now. Somewhere here. Okay. I'm interested. Let's look at ES real quick. See where we were when we came back here. I did buy from here before. Globex the other day was a little bit lower. Don't really have much before that. Nah, this is gonna be one where they pull the rug out from under you when they give a good long signal. I'm gonna be patient. Just because I missed
Patient.
a great short that you guys are in. All three set up at the same time too, and I walked away at the exact wrong time.
Need this thing to break here.
I think
Yeah,
so.
all 3 of them. I'm trying to get them both. I wasn't even thinking all 3, but I've been happy with 2.
I would have tried. I would
Not
have tried to get in all three. I think you'd probably got your sell stop in on the RTY, and you probably had to hit market
market
only
on the ES. Yeah, I
on the
almost hit
NQ.
mark. I almost chased the ES. I should have just chased the ES, but right here is this is where I would like to see the ES set up long.
Well, then I'll take the. I'm gonna take the NQ. Well, they try to set up around. They try to set up around the pivot.
Mm-hmm.
Then we get down to this level, and this is starting to look like a setup. The only thing I'm worried about here, Paul, is that this is. It's like, do they pull
Bit
the
of
rug out from
fake
under you right now?
long.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's my only concern because there's not enough back here for me to be like, hey, I was going to do that. I mean, that short's what I wanted. That's a bona fide. They bought and sold from there before at that 89.
But this is a double bottom at a
It
good
is.
level.
It
I
is.
think I'm
It
gonna
is.
try it on the ES.
Oh shoot! I just did that again. 2010. Okay. Missing that long makes me kind of like a chicken here.
See what this bar does.
Do I do it? Do I do it? Do I do it? I feel
You
like I'm
got
gonna
an
get so many good
overbought.
trades after the Fed. I feel like I'm gonna have plenty of chances after the Fed. Still thinking about this GC short. I know there's a bigger risk one, but man, it sure does seem like it's setting up kind of right, doesn't it?
Yeah, that one's all right. Yeah, that GC short. All right, I think I'm going to cancel this.
Just a little too big for what I want it to be. Not even a little, it's way too big for what I want it to be.
Man, I'm going to put it back on. See here, see what this candle does.
Okay, now it's kind of setting up right for me now on the lower tick chart.
Like just to break above that pivot and it should go.
I think I can put the buy stop in there.
Like put buy stop at the pivot.
Yeah. Maybe try to go in at the market if it gets the ES here. Alright, well it got me in. I'm not thrilled on this one. I gotta be honest with you. I'm just not really that thrilled on this trade.
Yeah.
This is gonna be
Like
a
you said, it might be one of those
this
rug pulls, but it sure
yeah.
looks valid. I mean, it's a valid entry.
It's a valid setup, valid entry, valid everything's really kind of valid about it. It's gotta go.
If it can
Gotta
hold,
go
if it can
now.
hold above that pivot, you're good.
It's gotta go. Yeah, it's gotta hold above that pivot. It
If
doesn't
it
want
doesn't
to.
hold the pivot, then just get out of it because
Yeah,
it's going
take
to come
another
back down.
small loss and
Sure does look like it wants to, though.
it's trying. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
it's a bona fide trade
Little,
setup. I
the
mean, I'm not.
it's a pucker factor trade.
This is definitely a 6 for me on the poker factor. And I mean, all reality, yeah, this is not a trade I want to be in. Do I take $100 hit and get out of it now? 125. Yeah,
Probably now at this point.
yeah, that's not a trade I really want to be in. That's not gonna be my winning trade for the day.
And they're going to dump it then. This thing fails, it's going.
The short is
Mm-hmm.
under it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If this thing fails, it's a short below.
Definitely a short below.
Yeah.
I mean, again, here's the deal. If this thing turns back around and gives you a midpoint entry again on like a W, that's still a valid trade in my book.
I'm gonna hold it. I don't think I'm gonna get out just yet.
Still a valid trade.
It's just ugly.
It's above a
Yeah, I
smart
think I'm
strike. Ugly.
it's ugly.
Poker factor 7. I'll put my buy stop back in above that wick now
Come on. Push. Come on.
if it turns around. You're braver than me today. Like I said, A plus trades this morning. A plus big tick chart. Okay. So it stayed up. Now I'm comfortable. I'll be way behind you,
Yeah.
but I'm comfortable with that.
Nah, I just don't think it's gonna. I think it's.
Well, now if it goes, it's going to go.
Yeah, if it breaks the pivot,
It's a
if it breaks
high
the
of
pivot now, it's a good trade.
25,
It's
50.
a if.
Yeah, but if it does it, it's gone. Do I want to try to catch on the NQ if it does that? If it doesn't do it, then let me think about this for a second. Again, it's down here where. All right, I mean, it filled me again. So let's see. Yep, here we go. They're toy around with me now, then I'll just take the loss. I'm not gonna actually do the proper stop on this. I'm gonna put it under these last wick. Well, it is under the last wick, so let's just see. It was a big pucker factor one.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have to be a loser if it goes.
Yeah, this doesn't want to go.
I don't need your negativity.
Yeah, I don't think it's negativity. I think it's just
Just the reality of it.
Can't hold the pivot, can't break the pivot. And it's tried 3 or 4 times, so I think if it gets back up there.
If it can go now. If it can go now.
Come on, Betsy.
If it can go now, it can go. If it can go now. You just ticked above it again?
Yep, as I'm saying, it can't. If it. Come on, you. Come on. Come on. No way. Yeah, it's going to wick again.
Oh, we got 7 ticks left. Let's see if this is up. This candle's up. The new candle's up. The new candle's up. The new candle's up. That gives us hope. Just for a minute.
Not a whole lot of hope. I'll give you that.
Oh my
Come
goodness.
on. Come on,
RTY's
pucker
got a long
factor.
coming in
Go.
it.
This pucker factor is going up to like 8 now.
It's definitely pucker factor of 8. All right. Anybody doing this malarkey with us? Because it's
This
about to be a winning
garbage. Look at
trade.
that.
It's
Look at
about to
that.
be a winning
That's
trade.
I already got a winning trade, so.
About to be a winning trade. Oh, you're in deeper. You're in.
I mean, yeah.
Better
Yeah,
filter out.
whew. Holy smokes. That's painful.
Take targets off, Devin. I don't know if you're taking targets off, but as you can see, we like to take a couple targets off. Paul's got his
Yes,
target because he got filled.
I'm in a
pivot.
free trade now.
I need a few more ticks to be in a free trade. I'm gonna go tick. One tick down on this. I think I got it though.
There you go.
I think I got it.
Ugly little.
Hey, there we go.
There we go.
There we go.
Only took for freaking ever, but all right. Woo.
I got. Oh man, I thought I was looking at. I did it on the NQ as well. So boo, chakalaka. Which account I'm on? I'll switch over to it if it doesn't make me flat before then. Go all the way back up to the top. Let's go all. This is me with my typical. Everything's gonna be a runner. My target should be all the way
Yeah, I don't know
back
about
up
runner
to
here, but
R2. No, I got a couple ticks tighter. I'm gonna stop. All right, Devin, are you doing a good job
yeah.
following our stops and stuff, targets and stops? Are you able to do that? Did you get your ATM set up, your bracket order set up from the education center? Okay, good. If you, anytime you guys want to stop, I mean, I'm obviously always calling stops on my trades, but if I'm not in a trade and somebody needs a stop, type it in chat. I'm glancing over at chat every now and then, and I'll tell you to stop. So you don't get out of trades too quick, Tom. So we don't pull a Tom and get out of trades, choke our trades out.
Crappy trade.
Tom's not listening.
Crappy trade.
That was a hard one to you, man.
Yeah. I'm not going to give any of it back.
Tighter on my stop on the NQ just to. There,
I'm at break even. If it comes back, gets me, it's just a scalp.
But my stop's at the pivot where you're.
A lot of pucker factor for that little small bit of money.
For nothing. Whole lot of stress over nothing.
Yep.
I did make money. I made money on the NQ. and the ES a little bit. Got me out of that little bit of red I had. Took some red away. All right. Well, I mean, here's the deal. If I can look around the board like this and say, you know what, my worst account down is like $200. I feel like I'm doing pretty good. And somebody's like, "What? You're not making money?" I'm like, okay, well, I made plenty of money yesterday. I made a little bit over $1,000
Hey,
yesterday.
newsflash, not every day is going to be a freaking home run.
Mm-mm.
If anybody tells you that, you better
They
run.
lying to you. They
They
lying.
lying. They lying.
All right, now this CL. It's getting back to an area where I think I might would look for a short. Actually, I'm gonna look at the smaller tick chart for that too. They got, yeah. I'm gonna try to. Lots of things to do before this thing makes a trade for me. Let me check my accounts here. Let me do it on. Which one do I want to do it on? That account. Let me switch to that one.
Where would you be underneath that?
I
Like an
kind of
82?
already did it.
Yeah, I was going to say the entry was really up here.
When
Actually, the entry's
you
right
kind of want to
now.
put a, yeah, you kind of want to put a. Now you could probably do a sell stop. That's such a small risk trade. I mean, yeah. I guess it's gonna go without me. Maybe not. If this bar finishes up here, and we get another one, I'll put a sell. I'll put an order in here.
I'd like to see one more bar.
It's gonna go without me. I'm not gonna have a chance to put it in. Yep. Never mind. That's the short there. I'm just not gonna chase it. Yep. That was it.
Yeah, short.
Well. Well. Target. I'm sure somebody got in that CL short. Yeah, we got Fed at 1400, two
Yeah,
Eastern.
the
Fed.
Fed's at 2 Eastern, so
We trade it pretty well.
we'll plan to be here. That's
Don't
for
know if
sure.
you can be there. Oh, he has an appointment. Okay. We do pretty fancy. I think we trade the Fed pretty well.
Oh, what you gonna do
Are you talking about bad boys? What you gonna do?
when they
What you
come for
gonna do when
you?
they come for you?
The hell you gonna do? Tell you what, man,
Huh?
Joel's levels were pretty good. It's almost to the point where I don't even know why I do mine anymore.
Yeah.
Like, why do all the work? Just looking at this, and they're bouncing right out of them today.
That was the long on the RTY as well, but it did the same thing. It came back and tried to bite you. I gotta be honest with you. If I were in, I'd probably still be in a straight on the ES if I were you. I don't think I'd put my stop that tight. Where I was in at though, I kind of had to be at the pivot. Man, that CL short. I wonder if anybody do the CL short that we talked about. I don't know. Did I start to swing back? Oh, gotta remember to lower highs, lower lows on CL. I mean, CL could tank. All right, what time is it?
Yeah,
12:52. We
that was
got
a
about an hour.
lean close below VWAP on CL. Yeah, that was definitely short. You could have even got in it a little later and been fine.
I'm gonna take the long on the Fed.
Long on the Fed, off and where and what?
When it happens.
Anywhere.
No, when it pops up and retraces, the typical long that we normally take or short.
Right, but I'm saying, what are you going to look at ES? You look at
I think I'm gonna do it on the NQ because I know that's a cool $600 right there.
it's going to be quick on the ES on the NQ, real quick.
We'll see. I don't know. This CL could really just tank right now.
Oh, hold on, let me grab this phone.
Let me grab this one. I got no phone to grab. Wish I'd stayed in that long. Figure out a way to stay in that long. Man, that would have been nifty. I guess you had another little full flag breakout here you could have used. Probably use that candle. I don't want to get into the habit of doing that every single time, but double bottoms.
It's freaking cold in this room. Yeah.
It's,
Alexa, what's the temperature?
58 degrees.
38. It's not bad.
Oh, well, only 20 degrees above you.
So the new Alexa is like an AI now. You can talk to it like we do, like with Perplexity and chat.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Wait. Uh-oh, someone's here. What do you want, baby girl?
Tick squeak!
Little ticky,
Hey!
little tick squeak.
Did she learn how to call longs yet?
Yeah. I'm sure she just wants to play. That's all she knows. Playing. It's her life. Playing. And playing or sleeping in someone's lap.
Oh, I'm trying to.
In there.
Trying to talk to the boss lady about that. I think that's something. Once we
The
once we get some
what
of
was
that other
the
stuff out of the way, I think we're actually gonna do the tiny one and a puppy golden. Because I mean, what's the
and a pup
difference?
and another golden?
What? Well, if you're gonna get a tick squeak, you might as well have a actual real dog too, like a big
Yeah.
one.
Well,
Well,
you have a real
Grace
dog. A
wouldn't.
really cool one
I
at
don't think.
that.
I don't. I know Grace is awesome. I don't think she would have as much fun playing with a 3 pound dog
Yeah.
versus a 53 pound dog. At some point, I'd be
Yeah,
done.
that would be my fear, like having her around Grace, is that Grace would
She'd
just play too
ball her
hard with her.
accidentally, break
Yeah,
her.
you get hurt, wouldn't you, little girl?
They would, the funny thing about it is, I've, I told you I used to watch years ago. I had a friend that had a little one that was the one that the Papel or whatever.
Pompey,
Pompey. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Pop. Oh my gosh! I just, as soon as you said it, it jumped out of my head.
The
Pom, pom.
pop pop
I want to say
pop.
Pomeranian. That's not it. Pom. Oh, it's gonna drive me nuts. There you go. That long came back, took some stops, and took off.
But yeah, the one that's with the little gizmo. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If we could try saying that thing, I can't do. The short is setting up.
Wait, I'm not here to play.
Oh, this thing. Here we go.
The heck is the name of that dog? I can't think of the breed.
Is this it? Hold on, let me
Uh,
try to get this up here. That's it, right?
yep, that's it.
Pompelli?
No, that's not.
That's what it looks like, though. That's what I want. That's the best I can do for you, bro.
It's gonna bug me now because I can't.
Yeah. Oh.
Papillion. Papillion.
What? Did you just look it up?
Papillion.
Hang on. Let me type. How do you spell that?
Yes, we do. I was going to say the same thing. I was going to mention that to you. So yes.
Spell it.
Papillon or Papillon. That's it. Papillon. Couldn't think of it. Papillon.
Do you know how to spell it?
I think it's Papillon. I was thinking Pomeranian or something. It was Papillon.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's it. There you go.
That's it, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. That's
Yeah,
it.
we get that all the time, anytime, because
Oh,
of the
shoot. That was a
years.
short.
And yes, it was.
Too
Came
busy
right up to
talking
the
about
89 too.
too busy
Actually, it was a
talking
pretty
about
decent
dog
short.
breeds here.
CL just doesn't have a whole
See,
lot of follow through,
two
does it?
two normal dudes. We got sidetracked, just like normal dudes
Yeah,
do.
we're talking about dog
Talking
breeds
about
and
dog
completely
breeds.
forgot about it. I'm just not this massive urge to be pushing buttons today.
Me neither.
Like, it is what it is. I mean, I
Look.
have.
This is the way I feel about today. It's not a bad day. It's not. I mean, here. Did I miss a trade I wanted today? Um, Maybe this CL is one that I wanted that I missed. This long on the
That ES
CL.
I wanted when you walked away earlier, that was a good trade.
The long on the CL. That short on the CL was the one that I really wanted, and I just didn't. That was my real miss. Was the long. Or was that
But even
short?
this
Yeah,
last
this
one didn't
short.
follow through.
Um, there's a trade on the no, I couldn't have taken that trade. What was it? No, it wasn't on RTY. It was I know I had the EC trade. Where's ES trade? Oh, that I didn't get first thing. Oh, it was right here. This short right here that I wanted to be in. I mean, those are about the only trades This today. There was a long back here that I was looking at that I considered from the double bottom. Didn't get that. We went on break. So do I feel like I missed some trades? Yeah, I missed a few trades. Do I feel like I wanted to take a lot of trades? No. I came into today saying that. Um, I think it's always good to go back and look at the chart, but there were a few trades. I don't know if I could have done that garbage. Oh, that was that one long we canceled yesterday. Um,
Hmm,
that's a,
interesting.
it's just yeah. We missed a few trades, yeah. But am I that concerned about it? I don't think so.
I just put a 2000 tick on an RTY just to kind of keep it in line with the other three. It doesn't look bad, actually.
Really?
It's big, but it doesn't look bad. It would have been
You get
some
like
pretty clean setups.
2 trades all day.
Yeah, but they'd have been good ones. I mean, I think that's way too big to trade, but it's fun to look at.
Yeah, you had literally had
Look at that. I mean, but look at the trade. Boom. See ya.
one trade at 9:30. That's it. That's
Uh-huh. You'd
it.
still be
One
in
trade.
it.
I
Oh,
can't
you
do
got
that
another
anymore.
one at what is that? 10-10?
Yeah, you had the long. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, you had the long.
Mm-hmm. Those are clean too, real clean.
There you go. There's your. If you only want to take two
RTY with
trades
a
a day,
2000. That's trading big tick there.
you
There's
only
big
want two
tech
trades a
energy.
day. Bigger the tick, the better.
All right, I might change all my things to 500 tick just to be in sync with you, since you're gonna stick with it.
I'm so on GC and CL. I keep going back and forth. I'm pretty dead set on 6E on my 500.
So basically, you're 500 across the board except for RTY, right? No, no, you're
What
500
was
across the
I at
board
on
everywhere.
RTY? No, I was. Shoot, I think I was at 600. Shoot, I think I was. Let me look and see if I see the setup. It's 600. Where's that trade I was looking at earlier? Yeah, because like I said earlier, that should have been the real entry from the pivot. I got in late, got my targets, came back, got me. The 600. CL and GC, I go back and forth on. Like right now, I think in this environment, we should probably be looking at 600 on GC just to stay out of stupidness. See, here's the thing I like about. Well, I guess you'd see the same thing, but you get you get that trade on CL on the 500 that I don't think you'd get on a 600 or higher tick. No, I guess you get it on a 600 tick as
Yeah, you
well.
got it on a 600 too.
It didn't
Yeah.
quite get overbought on stochastics. Still gave the trade there, didn't it? I try to judge based on like
Volatility and
yeah, if it's a highly volatile, higher tick. If it's lower volatile, because I kept going, I kept going back between on RTY and GC and CL. I kept going between 500 and 700. Yeah, and you know why I settled on 500 for uh, GC? Because it gives me that trade every now and then. I get that perfect setup, and I take it. All right. What do we do? What time is it?
Hang out for
106.
45 minutes till the.
There's nothing's gonna happen until the Fed announcement. So
No, I may take a break
why don't we do like a 30-minute break? Come back before the Fed.
just before the Fed.
I
Yeah.
mean, I'll do something if people want to do it. I'll do a little kind of show you what we do for the Fed. If you guys want to take a 30-minute break and come back.
Yeah, let's do that. We'll review the news trade.
All right, let
Be
me do
fun.
like I used to. I'm gonna make somebody say yes.
All right.
All right, whatever.
Somebody in
All
here
right.
agree to it.
No, somebody say yes to Brian, or he's gonna pitch for no.
Somebody say yes to Brian, or he'll pitch a fit.
No. All right, so yeah, let's go on break for. Do you think I should stop the stream, or they should? If there's anybody on YouTube, they should know.
I just put the be right back thing.
Yeah.
Be on break thing.
Um. Yeah. Let's come back 1:30.
Sounds
No,
good.
let's come back. What time is it? 107. Let's call it a cool 30 minutes. 140. And there's not gonna be anything that's happening in front of the Fed anyway. So
Works for me.
GC is gonna try to short down here, but it's too big of a trade now. And that's below the R2, right below the R2. It's gonna try to short. We'll see. All right, let's call it like 140 on the dot, something like that.
140 it is. Be back then. Bye.
All right, 1340 people. 1340. Okay.
Hi there. I'm here to help. Is there anything you'd like to chat about or any questions you have?
I'm about to hop back on. You guys ready for this? Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Say hello to my little friend.
Say hello to my little friends.
Mm-mm. Um, let me
See here. All right.
Uh,
Wow, look at that. Nice bounce.
D, D. Okay. What are you talking about? Nice bounce.
I was looking at NQ, came down. I had a level at 120. It bounced and then came back and touched it again. Perfect double bottom. Just missed an entry.
Times at 151. Oh, okay. I gotta do something real quick. I'll be right back.
Yeah, you got a few minutes. 9 minutes. 8 minutes.
Oakley Dokley. And some artichokes. Let's get this show on the road. It's a road show.
Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's see here.
5 more minutes.
How many? What? Huh.
Three more minutes. So what are you looking at? The NQ?
What? Oh, it's I was looking at that.
I haven't checked.
I haven't either. I just looked. I just saw a balance, and I was just like, oh, maybe that. I don't know. We'll see.
I need to check.
All right.
Yeah, looks that way. Wait. Uh-uh.
Okay.
Yeah, I know that.
Okay. That's why it would look weird, but okay.
All right, let me pay attention to this first.
1 minute.
1 minute.
I'll be looking at. I think I'm gonna look at the NQ here.
NQ should be just radical though. We'll see.
That or the ES. I don't have a big enough target set on my ES bracket order.
NQ's fine as long as you catch the move.
All right.
15 seconds. Let you know.
Let's see here. Make sure my lag did. My lag doesn't go up. I'll look at it.
All right, what's my lag at? Man, lag's good so far.
Yeah, I got good lag. Let's see.
3, 2, 1, boom.
Blast off. Boof.
Down it goes. Up it goes. Down it goes. Holy smoke, it goes. Okay, I can't trade it.
Nope, that
29
doesn't
seconds.
fit.
Nope. Wait,
That
too
doesn't
much
fit
lag.
my.
And that wasn't a clean.
Yeah, that doesn't fit my.
Yeah. And honestly, didn't go anywhere. Look at that.
No,
It's just in the
no,
same
nope,
chop area. What's he
nope.
saying? Let's see if I can hear somewhere.
If anything, there's a breakout on the long side. That's it. That's not going to go in my plan of attack, I don't think.
Yeah, looks like a long's going.
Whoa! What the world is going on here? Dang. Do not do that. If anything, it is long. I mean, that would be a pullback for a long if you were inclined to do it. I'm not going to do it. Nope. I'm staying away from this one, man.
Yeah, this is not tradable.
Nope, sir. No, sir. Nope. Not gonna do it. This is novice territory. Let novices trade this crap. Well, I'm gonna go down with small losses today. I will not be upset with that whatsoever.
No. What's gold doing? Gold looks like it wants
Yeah,
to
pushing it down though.
short.
Now
Yeah.
GC looks like it might. Yeah, looks like they want to make a short out of it.
Look at this thing go.
No, that's a get your butt handed to you.
Yeah, I can't trade this. I got
It's
lag
a
galore. So
get your absolute living butt handed to you trade. I mean, in an old way of thinking, that would be a short right now, but they're just bouncing things around just to take retail money.
yeah, we could also be
Sounds
bouncing
like it.
out of this support right here.
Breaking lower, I mean, I'll take a rally for a short, but take it right back to where it came from is what they're gonna do.
Mm-hmm. This is hard to
They're
trade.
trying. I mean, somebody's holding it down. Well, they were holding it down. Somebody was holding it down.
I mean, that's
Somebody's trying to hold it down. That's for sure. Make sure I got everything on the accounts. I want to trade for the rest of the afternoon.
yeah, there's your long, but who's
Yeah,
going to take that?
I'm not trading this crap.
Well, it's not going to be me.
Uh-uh. Uh-uh. No way. Give me somebody else's account. Trade it with.
There's a short, but we're going to take that.
Yeah,
Nobody.
what? No, you don't want that?
He's going to run it right back down.
Yeah. No, they got everything short, came up, took their stops, got everybody thinking long, came down, took their stops, got them all thinking short again, came back up, took their stops, and then they're going to take it the direction they want to take it, I'm assuming, here in a minute. Or it's going to stay here and chop in the
Top up and
range.
down.
Yeah,
Yeah.
go in the range.
In which case we'll probably be done.
Yep. That won't be a trade. There won't be a trade to be had for me there. Put it that way. Yeah, 6E again, setting up for the short. Oh, dude, just missed it. Been wanting to see 6E short for a while.
I mean, you're right there. You're a couple of ticks past it.
CL.
Take that.
Now the CL short
I
might
like
look
that.
tempting, huh?
Yeah, look at the CL setting up.
CL looks tempting. I might be willing to take a look at that.
Place a sell stop here and think about it.
Put a sell
Where do
stop
we want this
in.
next candle to finish?
I think if it finishes down, that's a good chance that that's a good trade.
Sure looks that way.
From the Globex high. That's about the only thing I have some faith in. Let's see, what's that low? That low is 6304.
Yeah, I mean, it's come down to 62.86. Looks pretty clean down to there.
Yeah.
Which is VWAP, so that's also just above VWAP. So that would
And
probably be a pullback to
right at the 89.
right at the 89 too. Yeah, I like that. It's got a break here, but I like it. Probably worth a try, right?
Look at that. NQES. Up, down, stripe, right back to the center. Right back to the middle.
All that movement and it went nowhere. It's literally right where it started.
Oh, they're just trying to. That's called retail money grab right there.
They're playing games. And I guarantee you people blew up accounts.
Oh, God, yes. How many accounts did Homeboy blow up just now? That
Oh, yeah. What's his name?
I can't say. I don't want to.
Yeah.
It starts with an L, though.
Mm.
He's out there blowing accounts up on this stuff. Feel bad for him. I actually don't feel bad for him because we tried our best. There's only so much you can do with somebody.
Only so much you can do.
Starting to not become a fan of the CL one.
No, because it's not wanting to finish. I think if it goes back up to the top, I'll kill it. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles.
I mean, that again, that's the Globex high. There's stuff.
Valid trade if
People
it
sold it from
blows.
there
If it blows
before.
down. Tick strike is lighting up red, so for CL. Definitely got some interest in going down. Whether it does, I don't know.
So on the intraday, it's still not a new high, so you still keep getting lower lows and lower highs. I don't know if that means anything, but you know what? I'll take a risk on that. I'm gonna take a risk on that one. Yeah. $210. I've got to maybe the 2:30 press conference will give something, or maybe not. Maybe I did say this morning that it looked like things might be priced in on those longs, so this might be another. Let's do something. Let's see if think about trading tonight, which I would be totally up for tonight.
I mean, gold has been untradeable today, I think.
I have had a good
Just
setup on gold. I mean, this is going to end up being a long, considering the fact that it was the Globex was up. We probably a break above that low at the end of the day yesterday might be. Look at that. There's a level there too from today. You know, just like yesterday, I would probably, if it's a big tick chart, clean bull flag above this area here on the ES, I would consider it. Look at that CL. I gotta cancel that CL trade. I'm not.
me too.
This candle's gotta finish down, or well, let's see, 1, 2, 3. It's a lot of trades in that
I,
area. That's a lot of
I
trades.
canceled. I canceled it. It's not.
Um, I have to.
You're what?
So I think
Oh, you're leaving?
I think I'd consider the breakout long. What'd you say?
I said you're leaving it. Yeah, you are leaving it.
Um, break a structure. So if it breaks the structure, one way or the other is going to go. I'll tell you what. Let me go do a little coffee break real quick, and I'll be right back.
We'll be here. Not do anything, but we'll be here. CL's off. Well, the box on CL. It's obviously going to break up.
I don't know.
I do like CL though. Up at I got a level at 63.34. So if it gets a little higher and then sets up for short, would be nice. I'd be interested in that.
Okay.
GC, I'd be
Is
interested
that
in a
is that
short.
a is that a one of your levels or one from
No, that's one of my levels. Well, hybrid.
hybrid?
Say
Okay.
hybrid. Hybrid.
Why don't you give me those? Give me those levels.
I can. I got to remind me how.
Send me the download. The download.
Catch me on the down low.
Do we look at a RTY short?
Oof.
Uh,
I don't know, Brian.
well, in that case, I'm going to go ahead and say no.
No, I don't like it. No, look at it. I mean, unless you're just playing off the range. I mean, on a 600, I don't know what you 6 or 500. 600, yeah. I mean, that thing's just. I mean, pretty much it's 10 o'clock, been in a range. A pretty nice range though, well defined. You can almost trade the top and bottom of it.
I know. That's what I was looking at.
You might have a point. Ooh, guess what today is?
What's day?
It's Wednesday. 50-cent wings at the barbecue place.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna
I
go
can't
put some.
believe
I'm
there's
gonna get
50 cent
damage.
wings at that place.
Our eyes
That's
were
like-
bigger than our heads. We spent $15. We got 30 wings. I was like, holy crap! There's a lot of wings because they're the
Wow.
bigger wings. They're not
That's
tiny
crazy.
ones, and they're
Yeah.
and they're smoked on that smoker. So, oh man, the sauce is insane. Yeah, I'm gonna go have some fun.
Yeah, that'd be good.
That's dinner tonight after my call.
Oh, um,
Look, GC was a short. I didn't do that.
yeah. Well, no. No. Mm-mm. Told you I wouldn't. I wouldn't. I'm
Okay.
not touching GC unless it's a perfect setup for me. No way I'm doing that. Starting to seriously consider this RTY short though, and I'm very seriously considering a late afternoon breakout to the long side on the NQ and yes.
When are you going to get your phone this afternoon?
No, it's being picked up for me right now.
Oh.
Let's just
I
talk. I
wouldn't
mean,
mind.
I don't
Okay.
yeah, because see what.
Hey, there's no football this weekend, is there? I just realized that.
Uh.
Oh, that just sucks.
Or we make. Or,
Oh no, I'm getting into watching women's rugby.
I like it.
It's exciting as crap. Those girls are freaking beasts.
They What are you watching it on?
YouTube
Oh,
through
okay.
like find free channels.
Oh yeah. Uh,
It's pretty cool though.
oh, it is.
I mean, it's impressive.
They're
Those girls don't
they're
play. Those are some pretty.
they're
I had my used to my old house. My neighbors, there's two sisters that lived in the house next door, and they played rugby, and
it's a different breed. Different.
they were definitely a
If you ever
different
see, it's
breed.
like the UFC. It's like the UFC women. They go like it. They go at it with like
Well, but
on a
the funny
killing
thing,
mode.
yeah, one of my trainers at the gym, she was a UFC pro fighter, and she was a. But you look at her, she had this little dainty voice, and she looked so petite. And oh man, you don't run
No,
into her
you
in a
don't
back
screw with
alley
that woman.
somewhere.
She
She
would beat
would
the
hurt
crap
you
out of you.
bad. I mean, seriously. But like my neighbors, like they were the most feminine women. I mean, they
Yep.
were like women by all the definition of a woman, right? But
Get
you put
on
them on a field
get on a rugby field.
and put them on a field, and it's like, holy shit, where'd
You
this
would
come from?
fear the wrath of God.
Uh-huh. But then they walk off and they're right back to being this little
Yep.
dainty female. It's like, I'm still not totally up on all the rules. I've been getting Perplexity to help me out with that.
It's not that
Doesn't
many
seem too
rules.
difficult though. Yeah. I mean, I got that football mentality, so I keep trying to look at what they're doing. It's like, okay, well, how can they did that? Well, how's that legal? Oh man, I wanted to take that short on GC. I really did. It was right in an area that I missed that one. I won't do that again.
With 3 minutes to press conference. I I'm still thinking about anything above. Again, like I keep looking at this spot at the end of the day yesterday. You had some high, like that high there at like 9. So we use 8 like we were using the other day. We were using 8 or 9 the other day, right?
Yeah, we're using. Yeah, was it 8 or was it 9? I don't
Yeah,
remember.
it was 8, but
One
it's
of
close
those.
enough.
It
Anything
was 9.
above there, let me put something in to
She could
remind me of
run.
that. Anything above
I need to go
there,
step away real quick before 2:30. Be right back.
I think I'd be interested in. Kind of the same thing here from the Glopex on the. If it breaks this swing high from earlier, that's a. I'm either gonna trade short from there or long from there. How about that? I don't think I like this level anymore. Having the ES here. It was something I liked, and now I don't know if I like it that much. Seems like it moved down to here. It's a little bit better today. Let's see what gave me the idea to do that in the past. Maybe it was a level. It's just not that strong. I don't know if I come back up here. If I have enough days loaded to come back. Let's see here. Come back to me. There you go. Come back. I mean, I guess it was a level, but still, I think I like this other stuff better. The better level is the one I have now. Oh, it just dropped while I was looking at that. Never mind.
Yeah, you got your entry on CL. Looked like.
That would have been a good short on the CL.
Mm,
But there's pent up aggression here on that. What, like he said something right at 2:30 that caused this to happen? Come on. 14:30. This is the reaction at 14:30. What was said? That's complete garbage. That is like he couldn't have had 2 sentences out of his mouth. Draw the box.
Draw the box.
I mean, there was definitely a decent little short right there on CL.
Mm-hmm. It's in that zone I was telling you about.
Yeah. All right. Oh yeah,
Came
yeah.
right
If
out
you
of it,
weren't away,
clean
if
as
you
could
if you
be.
if you were here looking at it, I probably would have taken that with you.
Yeah, I like that. And then there was another one set up really nice on GC, and that's the one I wanted. I missed it
I didn't.
completely. I'm off today. I'm
That's all right.
not firing on all pistons. My pistons aren't
I
pissing.
still think they're like I don't get this. I mean, what could have been said between
Nothing.
nothing? Yeah,
Absolutely nothing.
nothing at all.
That's just pure reaction. It's 2:30.
And now if price action want to move appropriately, I would be looking at the breakout long or a bull flag long on the ES.
I would venture to say he hasn't even started talking yet.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's exactly what I'm saying. Oh God, why do I keep doing that? Jesus. Oh my goodness. Don't want to click it. I want this chart trader. What is my? Oh, that's what I did wrong. Okay. Oh, the chart trader. Okay, now let's calm down. Think about this. If it can push back above 9 again, I'm going to take the trade, Paul.
Okay.
That's in my plan. That's what I wanted to do. And if I can do that, I'll take the trade. If it doesn't do that here in a second, I don't take the trade. But the NQ's got to play nice too. I think they got to see the NQ push up as well. If that doesn't happen, I don't do it either. I just that's the breakout territory right there. I was hovering over a stupid other chart, and it keeps. I gotta remember. So I think I figured out what the problem is here. Um, Here's the problem: is if I have this on, I think that's it, and these two are on the same account. It puts that
Why?
It puts that order in. I don't know. That's I've noticed that being a thing. Like it'll put the order in if they're on the same account, and I've noticed that the past couple times that order's gone in when I have the chart trader on both charts and they're on the same account. I think it's just the program thinks that I'm trying to do it on the other chart. That's the only thing I can think of.
Couldn't
It's
be
okay. I
like
mean,
that, but yeah.
it made $50, but um, I sure did not want it. Yeah, this is ES garbage and Q garbage. RTY, do not trade that right now. CL, we missed our short on that. No GC trade, no 6E trade. Just giggles. Let's look at silver, huh? One day I'll be a big boy and be able to trade silver.
Oof. That is for the big boys.
One day I'll be a big boy.
They don't play.
Let's
You
see
were
what
talking about
YM's
losing
doing.
money quick
No,
on
actually,
silver.
the YM was not tradable either, really, today. That much didn't look like.
Uh,
Had better swing on the had better swings there on the post Fed stuff. Um, I'm not wrong on what I'm saying there in that chat, am I? I think I'm right.
uh, let's see. Yes.
Yeah, I mean he's gonna be doing that, so we'll just keep it at one set.
I mean,
Keep it at one set price across
oh,
the
what
board.
kind of setup is it? I mean,
Shouldn't take. Well, some people,
it's like, what are we? Well,
some
I mean,
people.
yeah, I guess it depends on the person, don't it? You got a point.
Because I haven't.
Connection lost.
That's my thought.
I have a thought. What is your thought?
That's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
I I like that. I mean, how many people are scared to do something because they're afraid of it's being new? Don't worry about being new. We take care of that for you. People are afraid of new things, change. Take that out of the way.
Yep.
Fix that.
Why we talk about that?
I think your old partner here's got a pretty good idea with that one.
Yeah.
I tend to come up with some good ones at that. That makes sense though, doesn't it?
Yes.
It's exposure to. We'll talk about that later today. But that's a. Is today Thursday? No, I'm not gonna go get my burger yet today. I'm gonna get my. You got me all hungry. I just ate all that food. Now you got me thinking about those wings.
I know. I'm looking forward to that. That can't come fast enough.
I'm gonna be in Georgia next week. I forgot to tell you.
Are you really? Oh,
Most likely
nice.
Wednesday, Tuesday or Wednesday. So we're gonna go eat wings on Wednesday.
I was gonna say we got to do some wings.
We totally are.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's a good chance that
Wow,
that
a whole
happens.
month. That's.
I know it's gonna hurt. It's gonna be painful. Let's just not talk
I
about
was going
that.
to say, I don't know if I could do that.
No, I mean, what are you talking about?
I'm talking about like if I had to be away from
Oh,
her for I don't know.
oh yeah, 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 yeah,
I'm
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm
No,
just
it's
so
a,
you know I've been together for freaking decades, so
same here.
it's weird when you, especially when you work with somebody side by side. That's different. All right, that's that. That's that.
That's the reason.
Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. No. That's
That changes things, right? A little bit.
Can I go?
I know, right? That's what I said.
Can I go?
All right. This is crap. This is absolute crap on the charts.
Yeah. I
I
mean,
mean, I read that CL short something we should have looked at. Do we do the CL long at this point? I don't think so. If we're looking at the day as a whole, not the B as a whole, the day as a whole, we're right in the middle. Kinda, not really. Maybe we can look at a CL long, late day CL long. I'm telling you, I still think if we move up out of this, look, you got the forget pre Fed stuff. Anything that stays below here, I'm shorting it. I'm going to look at a bear flag short. Really, I think anything that stays below here, I'll look at shorting. And especially anything that stays above, what, 9, what I said earlier, stays above 9, I will bull flag it. Those are the two trades I'll take, unless I get a perfect setup on a swing, which it doesn't look that that's going to come, considering that it's 1444. And then the 6E, I'm still not opposed to looking at the short on the 6E here. Just kind of bounced a little bit off that bottom from, well, not really. I mean, I really would not be opposed to looking at another short on 6E. This would be one that we have to close at uh,
in an hour,
1600, yeah, 4 p.m. But
or actually, you can go to 4:45 of that.
I won't be around.
Me neither. I'm like, oh, God, I honestly believe I'm done for the day. I don't think I'm gonna trade anymore. I
This
just.
um we I am hopeful for like a 330 trade based on this stuff today. Well, all right, so let's, for our benefit here, Paul. Let's review. Okay, let's review. So we got started what, around 9. I was actually looking at charts around 8 this morning. maybe a little bit earlier, but I didn't like any of these wicks, any of this stuff. 930 short, nah. We passed on that. Obviously, it's too close to the open. Didn't like it. Maybe we should have looked at that short. I think we passed on that one. Because I was still looking for the long. We passed on that long because it didn't set up right. I don't know if that was one that we could have done. I just flat out missed this one. I remember this one. I wanted this long. I flat out missed it. I wanted the short from here, but we remember that one just didn't set up right, so we sat on the sidelines
Mhm.
for it. Again, another long that didn't set up right, another short
Missed
that
that
didn't set
one
up right.
too.
So, I mean, the trades were there. They just didn't set up right for me today, and I came into today
Yeah.
wanting the perfect trade.
This is one of those that you look, you Monday morning quarterback, and it looks like there was a bunch of them, but it
Well,
really didn't shape up that way.
well yeah, because like I said, the price action at the time, this is the exact one I was talking about. The price action, no, where was it? It was somewhere around 10. Yeah, pretty sure this was it. Like it formed so fast. So I just don't. There wasn't, and again, what I wanted 2 or 3 candles with some wicks. Didn't set up right. I remember this one setting up because we talked about it, and this is went to break here, and I was like, had this stayed here, and that not happened, that would be a trade for me. Did not do that. There's my breakout coming on the ES. Let's take a look at this. So there were a lot of trades to be had. They just didn't set up the way. Again, and I was not trying to talk you out of trades, Paul. I just didn't want anything unless it was perfect
What?
today. And looking back at that, there wasn't a lot of perfect trades. You had a
No,
couple later that you could probably look back and say, well, that one short you took, it came out of nowhere super fast.
right. That ES is the one I wanted. I mean, I caught it on the NQ, but I really wanted that on
Was
the
it?
ES.
You're talking about like three maybe trades that I really wanted on the ES today. So, and I got one of them. So I'm happy with that. That to me is a successful day. I don't know if you feel the same way. I'm not.
I
I'm
mean,
red in some
I'm
accounts.
not successfully, yeah, so I'm not successful when it comes to my P&L today, but I'm not complaining.
Well, and again, same thing. So looking at the NQ, these trades that would come with those trades, if you look at this NQ chart, we wouldn't have had. You had to buy. You had to buy out of this junk. You had to buy out of this junk. That one was that same one that on the ES. It just happened at the same. This is the NQ one you call it short. You had to buy out of this junk, and there was that one earlier. It was so again, look clean. Oh, that was a sell. So this was a sell. This was a sell. Same sell. That was it. Same sell in the ES and the NQ that I wanted that I missed. So two whole trades. Two whole trades on the NQ and ES. And that miss I had on CL. So I missed four trades out of 6 possible trades I wanted today.
Yeah, not bad at all.
I how else can you look at that? I don't. I don't think that's a bad day when you have a plan come in to say I Tom I don't know when he said RTY long 251. Tom, I don't. That's just too ugly, man. When you say 1451 when he no yeah I that's it's a trade. I just again I think you're trying to just trying to trade at that point, Tom. Sometimes change is good. Sorry, I didn't read these messages. I was too busy looking at another one. Okay, change is good. Like what I'm talking about right now? I'm just reading your email, Tom. Here's my. All right, here. Let's do this for trading psychology for me right now. I'll do. I need to put this. I need to make a folder for trainings. Yeah, that training stuff. Why don't we make a channel in here for training request? Can we do that?
Or, well, we could. What did Brady say?
What'd you say?
Tom Brady on Bill Belichick's Hall of Fame snub.
Oh yeah.
Completely ridiculous.
I think
Completely
it's ridiculous
ridiculous.
as well too. I think it's absolutely ridiculous. He should have been. He should be in.
Yeah, I mean, he's arguably one of the best.
Not even arguably, he is the
Yeah.
best coach statistically in the history of NFL. The most everything, playoff wins, everything, the most everything. You don't put that guy in. That's stupid. I mean, he'll go in. It should have just been first ballot. Shouldn't have been. There shouldn't have been any
Yeah.
question whatsoever. Put that man in the Hall of Fame now. Let's see.
All politics, man.
How about training request? What do I call this? I'm just changing the name of the one channel that's got nothing in it to
What are you changing the
training request.
trading setup?
Yeah.
Yeah, training requests.
Can you not do capital letters?
No, it's all lowercase. Kind of like it that way, though. It's kind of cool.
Training request. Save changes. Alright, now I have the training request. Any thing you want training on, go to with this girlfriend. You meant CL Long? You're just trying to find a trade there, Tom. This is not gonna.
Yeah,
No.
Belichick with his young girlfriend. Yeah, like my daughter's age or something like that. It's ridiculous.
Good for him. Good for him.
As long as it's not my daughter.
Would you be upset with your daughter dating Bill Belichick?
Mm. No,
See,
there's
you
a
had
part
to
of me
think about
thinks that'd
that
be
one,
the
wouldn't
coolest
you?
thing in the world.
You had to,
I mean, I'd be upset about the age, but I don't think I'd be upset about who he is.
bingo. That's exactly right.
I'd be like, okay, I can live with that. Welcome to the family, Bill.
You get to do Thanksgiving dinner with Bill Belichick,
Mm-hmm.
or I don't know. You get free tickets to everything. You get to
Heck yeah,
what,
man.
to North
Think about the
Carolina games?
hookups. Think about the hookups.
Free tickets to the Tar Heel games. Uh, you get all his old sleeveless hoodies.
Hoodies, sleeveless hoodies. There you go. Those sweaty ass sleeveless hoodies.
I'm actually looking at charts while we're doing this because I really want
Go
to catch
back to
one
go
trade.
long on the NQ maybe.
I know. I'm telling you, there's going to be a 3:30 trade today. There's going to be.
I still know that I want to be around at 3:30.
Well,
I don't want to trade that much. I don't want to trade that bad.
here's the thing, Paul. This is a breakout. This is a breakout. Is it going to happen this afternoon? Maybe not. Is it going to happen tonight? Maybe. Is it going to happen? Yes. So that's where I'm at on this. I am looking at this market, like sitting here today, saying, again, this is why I keep going back to this ES play that I've been thinking about for today. We're right just back at the bottom of the daily range. This seems like a loading, they're loading up for that run. And I've done this for a long time. And what I'm trying to say is I've in my 14 years of trading, I've sat around a lot of days and gave up and then looked back when I was at the gym on a day like today and said, holy crap, it ran up 75 points after 3:30. And so I want to try to catch that because that's totally what could happen. It could run up 75 points after 3:30. And the not people that are trying to look at this are thinking, okay, down, short, 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 and I'm like, well, they just brought it back down to get some contracts. It looks like, um, what I was originally thinking was down here they were setting up for the big short, but I mean, again, they could still be set up for short. The point I'm trying to make here is I want to be ready for that break one way or the other because we got a nice little range here over the 2 days. And this is just
Yeah.
there. Anything above where we're at now or below where we're at now, that moves because look at the bottom of this range, current range from the Fed,
Mm-hmm.
right off of there. Anything below here has all the way back down to this area. I mean, that's from
Big move.
that's from 91 down to that's 40 points on the ES. I want that, and we got 40 points on the upside easy. So that's what I'm saying. That's the only reason I'm sticking around today.
Woo!
How about that?
This thing come down.
Now we got a 6E short. This might be setting up here. Oh wow! I
Possible.
actually might like that. Okay, I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna put a sell stop in for that 6E short. Let's see. I don't want to be too tight.
Do we have time though? Is the problem?
Oh yeah, you're right. It's actually gonna break this structure and be a long. You're right. They should let you hold at 6E. That's the one asset they should let you hold.
Yeah, these slower assets we should be able to hold.
Let you hold.
I told you Lulu allows you to hold 3 micros. That's cool. I didn't know that.
I don't want 3 micros in 6E. That's
No, I know.
$16
Something's
to get
better.
back.
Yes. Yeah, that would take you for. I don't even think they have a micro 6E, do they?
No. Because then it would be M6E, and that'd be like M6 for the. Isn't that the
Let's see if they have it.
England's counterpart to CIA?
M6E is futures, Euro USD futures. Okay, they do have a micro.
Really?
Mm-hmm. M6E. Type it in, you'll see it pops up.
Oh no, I don't need it. I'm not gonna.
No, I'm just saying. Curious. I mean, I'm just not saying that I would do it. I'm just telling you that.
M6E. That was a long. Here's what I will do tomorrow, though. If we are in a directional market, I will use these pending you agree with me on this thought process. If we are outside of the areas I just talked about, I'll use I'll do like one of these, a break of structure to the short side or long side.
Okay.
Assuming we're in a bigger trend one direction or the other. Assuming that we're in a bigger trend. I still looking at this breakout on the upside, and I'm still thinking break a structure up here somewhere. It gives me a long. I think the same thing on the NQ. Exactly where I have that line. I break a structure up here, gives me a long. But I mean, again, it's got to stop for a candle, right? And then break out. It's got to look like it's setting up for the short.
Yeah.
And then a failed short. Gives me the long. That's my store. Sticking to it. Oh, okay. Oops.
Be right back. Step away for a second.
Yeah. Well, here's a. I mean, well, Paul's gone, and we talked about this earlier, but for the people that are still listening here, I'm down 55 in one account, 48 in another, 101 in one, 101 16 cents in one, 101 and 80 cents in another, up close to 301, and up close to a little bit over 400 in another. So I'm still green for the day, but most people are going to see those red accounts and be like, "Oh no, I gotta make this up." I'm like, "No, I don't have to. I keep that at $100 loss and leave it alone." That's it. It's just that's not something I have to do. $100 and is literally a trade for me. I don't know. Anybody's listening on YouTube or anything. These people are talk about the beauty of using multiple different accounts is that it's just that. And then I copy my cash on my ES and 6E trades and a couple other accounts on my safe vehicles, the ones I know I have a high win rate on. I copy on those, and then it's either, and same thing on those. It's either a win or a loss for the day on those, and I move on to the other account, and then you're not reeling over. Well, that account's red. I got to get it green. No, just leave it red for the day and move on. Move to another account. And, you take the $100 red to a $300 red, and then a $400 red, and then 500, and then you're like, oh, might as well go for the gusto and get it green. No, come back next day. One winning trade wipes all that out, all of it. And if you can't be patient, I mean, this is the patience thing for me. Probably should have done that CL long, by the way. Tom, we probably should have done that CL long, but um, let's see. 6E short didn't
The
set up.
breakout.
Too slow.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm with you on the CL long. There you look at. I'm just like. Did you post your thing in the thing like you have been in the winning trades like you have been, Tom? Because that's awesome. I'm like, I'm happy. Look, Tom's just he got these big tick charts and was like, oh
I
man.
start calling Tom Mr. Consistent there.
Again, it goes back. I think it goes back to the conversation I had with him the other day. It's just a lot more calm. You just a lot
Mm-hmm.
more calm sitting here looking at these charts because you can look at the ES right now and say stochastics are crappy. This is not a setup. Look at the NQ. What are you trading right there on the big tick chart? Look at the RTY. You're not trading that. I see why Tom said long RTY here. Didn't have result stochastics. We got all these wicks on the bottom. That's an easy one to look at, but nothing right
Yeah.
now in the middle. You go over to 6E and you say, well, a short could have set up here, but it didn't, so you didn't take the trade. GC, you're not trading that right now. Maybe a short if it sets up here in an appropriate spot. And then a CL short maybe if it sets up here in an appropriate spot. Actually, Paul had that spot up there at what? You were at 63 something? 64 something? What were we at? GC. I can't. I mean, if I get a perfect setup on GC, I guess I look at the short. Didn't you have something up at like 64, 63 something? Like
In
close to where we're at right now
on
on CL?
CL,
Yeah,
well, it's already broke. Yeah.
like somewhere right here. I would be. Look, it's right here from earlier this morning. I would entertain the short from here. I mean, that's simple. You just can scan through your charts and see this. This is easy. 6E, setting up for the short. I still think I want to try it. I'd have to do it under this wick though to make me feel comfortable. Uh, let's see. And then Paul in my back of my mind reminds me that I'd have to be in that the rest of the day to get 3 ticks out of it.
Hmm.
I'll skip on that. First time today it's made a higher high and a little trend down.
6E is definitely an area
There's
where.
your big time trend line break on 6E too.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and that's a not a short. See, I would have made money already on 6E.
Yeah, we missed that entry, but that would have been
Would have already
a
made my
trade.
target. Let me think about the CL here. All right, here's while I'm thinking about the CL, while it's trying to set up, if it does set up, here's what I'm talking about, Paul, on this ES. Here's a short. Now, am I going to take the short right here? You'd have to take it below this wick, right?
Right.
But based on, forget that one little spike up on the Fed. Based on everything else, a buy stop here would mean that you at least get targets, correct? Put a buy stop right there. It would almost guarantee 11.25. The high there is. Well, it's gonna fill me. Let's see. The high there is 1275. So if I go one tick lower, that should almost guarantee me a target. Boom. There's your target. Now I can set this up here and in a risk-free trade. That was the trade I wanted to take. That was my trade this afternoon. Thought it could go very far, but that's my trade. All right. Now CL might be setting up for a short. We got a wick up there. Gets back below this R1 level. That's below the level you had. What would you have? You had 30. I can't remember what it was. 63 what? 30 something. 34, 30. I would seriously consider a sell stop there. That wick. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yes. There's that low there of 1075, 1050 stop. 1050 stop. And let's just target the high of the day. It's gonna run. Look at that, Brian. You're so smart. Do we want to try this on the NQ up here? Like above that last. If this continues to run, what do you think, Paul?
Yeah, I like it.
I think if it continues to go, it's got legs. It's got legs. And
Got to get
we're not
through
supposed to
there with a.
sing. This high is 1025. This high is
Oh, no, it doesn't look like it wants to.
1225. Don't want to do that. You're supposed to keep going after that there, bud.
Yeah, that one didn't.
You're
That
supposed
one
to
didn't
keep
play
on
out like the other
going
one.
up. You're supposed to keep on going up after that. There shouldn't have been anything holding that down, to be honest with you. Really, shouldn't have been anything really
Should
holding that
still
down.
go.
It
If they can
should.
get up through VWAP here
It should
at
go.
28. Nope. And this is why I don't trade these things.
Nope.
Ah, come on, baby. Don't die on me. Don't do it.
What are you
I
talking
get out for
about?
real. I'm in this NQ.
What?
I'm in the NQ, the break of the
It took me a
top
minute.
there.
It took me a minute to try to think about what I want. Okay, all right. Let me think about that.
But I think I'm going to get my you know what handed to me on it, though. Come on.
Maybe, maybe not. I mean that ES should continue to
Doesn't
go.
look good on the small tick. Nah, we got sellers coming in too.
Tick starting to
Come
turn
on, baby,
around.
push. Yeah. What if I should get out for a small loss?
Probably. Just put a buy stop in. I mean, I'm gonna look at that. I mean, this is. I think this is just games are playing. Yeah, there's no reason this shouldn't continue up other than just you know what. Or you look at the lower tick chart and take the next long. What time is it? Is it 3:30 yet? 15:30?
It's 313.
3:14. 3:30, man. I'm telling you, 3:30. Watch this.
No, gotta get out. Gotta get out.
3:30. Hey, look, I guaranteed a target on the ES and I got it.
Mm-hmm.
Guaranteed a target on the ES and got it. Again, if it turns around and goes from here, that's it. This is let's see, that's at 707. So you'd get oversold on the lower tick chart somewhere around 707, 708 at 8. So you'd be oversold. That was support or resistance, whatever you want to call it, both. This past couple weeks. Um, my CL is still sitting there.
Yeah. Here we go. Come on down.
Okay, so now, yeah, here comes our 3:30 trade. Watch. Yeah, here this is not. I think this all the stuff says this looks like it should be a good trade coming up here. I mean, I would look at the like possibly even like maybe even now being the buy on that. Let it retrace back down a little bit and then turn it around.
I don't know.
So try buy stop at like 1050 on the smaller tick chart. You got the wick, you got the oversold
You gotta get in
stochastic on the
now.
smaller tick chart. You got the structure on the NQ being built
You gotta
here.
get in now. Literally gotta get in right now. It doesn't look like it wants to turn. Does not look like
Catch
it.
a little
Come
steam.
on.
Catch a little steam.
NQ
What's
is
this wick here?
eh,
I'll buy it above this wick right here on this one right here.
I got in at 1050.
What?
Literally right that break. Yeah, I mean, it broke. It's exactly where it was. Can't
Okay.
hesitate. I mean, it's going to cost me, but
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, you made a decision. That's the biggest part of it.
I mean, 1050 was the break, so I got in there. So see
Low.
what happens. See what happens.
Low on that candle is 750. The low on this last one was probably 750 as well. Yeah. Okay. I mean, there's some stuff that says that it should be a trade.
Looks like it wants to. It's
There's some
green
stuff
now.
that
Come
says
on.
it's supposed to be a trade. Take a target fast, I guess, if you want to do it.
There it is. Target's off. Go, baby. I'll run like a you know what.
Giselle.
Yeah, something like that.
This is toying around. That should have been a trade. That was a
I got a target off.
lower tick chart trade. Yeah, I mean you got your risk free trade, man. Oh well, that'll be it for me today though. That's the one I wanted to try. I wanted to try that trade. Um, do I still want to entertain the CL short?
Oh crap! I forgot all about that. Oh, I'm gonna take it off.
Don't think I want to
I'm not gonna
entertain
trade
the CL
anymore.
short anymore.
Yeah, I killed it.
Great job, Tom. Great job. That is the way to do it, man. That is the way to do it, Tom. Good job, man. Really good job. You feel me on that, Tom? What I just sent to you? Hey, this might actually turn into a winning trade.
You. CL's setting up now.
Who? What?
Your CL's about to.
I left that in it. I left that
Yeah.
in. Maybe I should be a tick or two higher on my sell stop, but I definitely left it in.
Where did the CS go? Came back, took me out, and went. Little
I got in.
bastard.
What account am I in on here? Oh, that one. It was one of the ones I had a small loss on today. It's no longer going to be a small loss. It will be a win after this. Let's see what was put my stop up just to guarantee profits on it. Oh, there we go. That's it. That's all she wrote. That's all she had in her. That's it. That's all she had in her. Oh well. That was a good
Oh,
thought
you're in the
process, I
CL.
think. I mean, I really think that was a good thought process. Looking back at it, I mean,
Yeah.
you're saying, hey, look, this is breakout territory. It
I
definitely
think
is
it still
breakout
is. I think
territory.
it's just a pullback. I think if you get a solid close above that VWAP up there, I think it's going to go. We're really still back around that
It's
09, no
not
10,
3:30 yet
09,
either.
no 13 range. So it's just got to get out of this area here. But I don't
Yeah,
disagree. I think
yeah.
up is the way to look.
Give it a couple minutes. It's not 3:30
hmm
yet.
No, it got 8 more minutes.
Well, or something like that, Tom.
What's that?
I'll tell you later.
Okay.
Let's see here.
Here it comes.
There it is. Told
I,
you. Just wish I would have gotten back in that.
I mean, still got to break above and hold.
It's going.
At
It's
this point, it's
going.
got to.
It's going. Do I put another buy stop in up here?
I was going to say.
It's going. I mean, there's no reason there should be anything holding this thing down. Really shouldn't be.
I got to hold that damn VWAP again.
Oh no, my
I'm
CL's going
telling
up.
you, when it winds up like that around VWAP, that break's going to be ugly.
To the top side.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me know when. Say when. I
It's
told you
pounding on
330.
the top. I mean, you could put a
I told you
you could put a
330.
14.25 on the NQ on the ES and what's the other one, and a 12.75 on the NQ if you really want to do it. If it closes above it, it's going to go. It just keeps wicking
Okay,
it
and
and failing.
I mean, so there's a lot of things about that I like. Don't want to
I don't
close with a
dislike it.
CL loss today, but I gotta leave my
Yeah,
stop
that's
in.
why I killed that trade. Took
All
too
right,
long to set
so
up for my book.
focus on this ES and NQ breakout.
All right, go target off.
Oh, you did it?
Yeah,
If it closes above it.
I did close above it on the small chart.
Oh, I did?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I thought you meant
It
on
like
the big
grabbed my
chart.
target instantly. So
If it
now if it comes
closes
down below
above
it,
if it closes above it on the bigger tick chart, then I'm in. In. I'm just in it.
yeah, failed it again.
There you go. Do I want to try it one more time, or do we call it a day? Maybe this is the one where we call it a day. Failed it again. Push down off of it. Bigger M top. I said 3:30. I'll give it till 3:30.
Maybe it goes the other way now.
I'll give it till 3:30. I gotta answer one quick message. I'll be right back.
Does it bounce back up? Hmm. Well, looks like they went the other way.
Well, I'm just gonna be a big fat loser today. I'm gonna take the hit on the CL and close that. Make it not any more pain. Make it a little less painful here, at least.
Yeah.
A couple more ticks down here. Let's close this thing out. Keep it above this last little like ledge before that wick up. If it hits that, then whatever. If not, I don't like choking the trade like that. I'd rather just close it, but it's already there. And then it's at 3:30 now, so um, I'm still interested in a long trade. Oh, oh, not that one. Come on. What is wrong with me? This stupid chart trader. I need to leave it off. This is actually, look at this. All right,
Things
now it's
going
setting up on
down.
a bigger tick chart. Now it is setting up on a bigger tick chart. Off the 89. Sold stochastics. I mean, this would be something that I would entertain. I know you don't want to do it, but if this stays up, the high of that is 775. 775. So if that breaks 8, never mind.
It's going down. It's going down.
Never mind. All right. It is 3:30. I said it was going to go one direction or the other, so. I don't know. I'm just still thinking about this for a second because this is where my level was before. I had a level here before, right here. I just moved it down below the pivot, but I had a level sitting right here. Nice little level I had sitting right here, where it's at right now. I'll give it just a minute longer. If not, we call it a day. I'm not trying to force a trade here, but this is a setup. And if it doesn't work, I'm not gonna try to force the trade, you know. But if you're above that wick on this chart, again, I think that's what 8, 7, 5 above 8. I think that's a winning trade.
Hell here.
I'm not trying to talk you into it, but I've got an eval sitting. I'm sitting here looking at an eval with it, so I'm like,
Yeah.
I think that's worth the risk on the eval. I don't see anything I want to trade cash with or PA with right now.
Just doesn't look like it wants to go, man.
And if it doesn't, then no trade. We'll know by the time this candle's over right here, or maybe before it's over. If this candle wicks out of here, then you get a little bit more excited about it, you know.
See what happens.
As a matter of fact, if it wicks out of here, you kind of have a better entry down here at nope. Can't, if it goes a tick lower, you can't do it. That high is 650, 675 would be it. And it ticked lower. Alright, yeah, no more trade for us today. Let's just call it. Forget that. That's your short.
Sounds like a plan.
That would be the short instead of the long. There you go. Just live to fight another day. You live to fight another day. That's not horrible. Alright, I'm almost break even today, so that's alright with me. Not that worried about it. Oh well. Alright, y'all. Have a good one.
Yeah. Man almighty, come on.
What'd you say?
I said, this thing doesn't even make up its damn mind. Oh, it wants to go. Trying to guess it.
I'm telling you, there's a long coming. I just don't know when it's going to happen. Or no, the breakout is coming. Sorry, I'm not going to say the long. The breakout is coming. I will mark my words. A sustained price above this level here is going to take off to the long side. A sustained price staying below this level is going to take off to the short side. That I can promise you. When that happens, I don't know what to tell you on that one. I just know that if that happens, then if or when that happens, then you're gonna have a really good trade on your hands. We'll have it if we catch it at the right the right time. So there was somebody's trying to make the long out of this area. Oh well, I'm gonna kill my screen. We're done for the day on that. All right. Come back tomorrow morning and do it again. Do we have news? Let's check.
Yeah, pretty much. Do we have anything tomorrow?
News tomorrow? Is it good news? Today's Wednesday. Tomorrow shall be Thursday. Unemployment claims tomorrow?
Is it?
Yeah. Let's do some unemployment claims tomorrow. Yeah, I'll show up early. I'll be here before 8. I got nothing better to do. I mean, I wouldn't mind catching an early trade in the morning before the open. You want to do it?
What time you want to be here? I'll be here.
Like
you name
8:15, just ready to go before the unemployment claims.
Yeah, we can do that. I don't know that there's going to be much news, but we'll see.
Oh yeah, I mean, we'll see. I mean, and I'll message you. Is there anybody here that would if we jump on in here this evening and try to get a trade? I don't know.
I
Do
don't
they
think
get
I'll be able to
notifications on their
jump
end
on
when we
this
go
evening.
live or something?
I think it does. I think it pops up.
Really?
I think so. I think there's like a Discord notice.
Oh, really? Okay. All right. Well, if you guys have those things, I'll send a message. I do know if I send a message, it'll go to everybody that's in the live channel. I'll send a message if we're in here tonight, and it'll pop up on your phones if you have Discord on your phone. Okay. Bye. See everybody in the morning. We're doing unemployment claims
All
in the
right.
morning. See y'all. Bye.
All right. See ya.